Meaning of feline.
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 Feline. The term feline is an adjective used to describe anything related to cats or resembling features of a cat. It can refer to the physical attributes, behavioral characteristics, or even cultural associations of cats. Additionally, it can be used to describe products or materials that are made from or intended for cats, such as feline food or feline toys. Overall, feline is a versatile word that captures the essence of the cat in various forms, making it a useful descriptor in many contexts.